This is our honest review of the SABRENT USB 3.0 SATA dual bay docking station. We recently used it to clone a mechanical hard drive to an SSD in our HP Slim desktop, and the process couldn't have been easier. Setting up the docking station was straightforward. It supports both 2.5 and 3.5 inch drives, and with USB 3.0 it delivers fast data transfer speeds. All we had to do was connect it to our PC, plug in the drives, and it was ready to go. One of the standout features for us is the offline cloning function. We didn't even need to connect the docking station to a computer. Just press and hold the clone button and it does all the work. In our case, the cloning was completed flawlessly with no errors or issues. When cloning a drive offline, data flows from left to right on this device. One thing we did is label the source and destination hard drive slots on the device to help avoid any confusion when using offline cloning capabilities. Another feature we appreciate is the capability with large drives. The docking station supports drives up to 20 terabytes, making it a great option for both small and large storage needs. While this product is excellent for cloning and backups, we also find it handy for accessing old hard drives. If you have older drives lying around, you can use this docking station to quickly browse files and transfer data without installing the drives into a PC. One potential downside is that it doesn't come with a USB-C cable, so if your setup requires USB-C, you'll need an adapter. However, there is a version of this product that comes with USB-C capabilities, which might be worth considering if USB-C is essential for your setup. But for us, using the included USB 3.0 cable worked perfectly. Overall, this docking station has been a reliable tool for us. Whether you're cloning a drive or simply accessing files, it gets the job done efficiently. So if you're in the market for a dual bay docking station with offline cloning, definitely give this product some consideration.